Weekly update for January 26th, 2018. And continuing with our let's keep Dave from having to move around too much and doing too much that's stressful on his back. Doing the weekly updates ahead of time. I am now at the point of I really have to go and lie down, I think. But I did want to mention Cerdic G, not Cedric. It looks like Cedric, but it's actually Cerdic G. He was the winner of one of the crazy deals of the day back during the Kickstarter, and what he won was I believe eight autographed IDW variant covers, and got those together and heard back from him that he just wanted the variants autographed, not personalized, unless the X-Files cover for X-Files annual, what was that? The annual 2014, The Truth Is Out There. If it included that one, yeah, he would like that one personalized. So that is to Cerdic, and I apologize because my back went out right when I was planning to go up to Studio Comics Press and hand off the crazy deal of the day, and also get that wrapped up with Cerdic with your Cerebus archive portfolio number 7, which I got sitting right here as well, on its way. So but I decided to hang on to that because the same day that I found out that you wanted a personalized copy of the X-Files annual 2014, I happened to run across the original artwork for the X-Files cover, which, as you can see, looked a little different than as it was reproduced. They really only used the bottom shot of Gillian Anderson and left off the pictures of David Duchovny and Gillian Anderson, my really cool sports car that I threw in, and the weird shadows. That's what a sneeze sounds like around here. You don't want to sneeze. It's like whatever you have to do to not sneeze, your ribs are going to thank you. So I apologize for that, in quotation marks, sneeze. So anyway, as soon as I can get this up to Studio Comics Press and get Alfonso to shoot a 600 DPI scan of it and print that out and autograph that and personalize it to you, Cerdic, you will finally be getting the package you should have been getting about a month and a half, 2 months ago. But it did make me think, I wonder if this would make a good bonus print for the next Kickstarter, as if you get a Cerebus archive portfolio number 8, you get the full black and white X-Files annual 2014 cover. So I was pretty happy with how this turned out. I think it's a good likeness of Gillian Anderson, and I think the colorist was in the same boat, where it's if it actually looks like her, then you can do whatever you want with the coloring. it's still going to look like her, even with the coloring on top of it. So there you go. That package is probably in your hands already, because I'm working ahead on these weekly updates. But if it's not, trust me, it is on the way. And thank you, Certic, for all of your generosity, and to all of the Kickstarter pledge partners for their generosity. We're probably about a month away from doing the next Kickstarter, but we just got a lot of planning to figure out how many prints can we do in order to not have our margin, profit margin disappear completely. Okay, one more weekly update to do, and then Dave Fisher will be able to come back from New Zealand and not have to walk off of a 24-hour plane flight and figure out how to edit a weekly update. And welcome back, David, I think.